What's up, Kia 2 Technical? I'm back again with another video, and in this video I want to show you how to use the quick share option in between your Samsung devices. So this is like Samsung's take on AirDrop, and I've been testing it out and it works pretty good from what I know. You must have both of your devices connected to Wi-Fi. So this is my Tab S4. This is my Samsung Galaxy A51 here, and I am currently running One UI 2.1. so if you're running One UI 2.1 and above, you will be able to use this feature on your device. So first, let's connect it. Let's go to it on my device and show you how to turn it on. So first, you want to pick up your Samsung device, whatever it may be. You want to slide down to your notification panel. You should already have the icon up here, so you would just want to slide here, and here it is, quick share. So I'm going to click on it. You want to enable it on your phone, and you also want to go and enable it on your Tab S4 or your other Samsung device. So I'm going to go find it. It's right here. Quick share. Boom. Make sure they're both on. Make sure both of your devices is running the same Wi-Fi network. So now all of the videos and photos are on my Galaxy A51. So I'm going to show you how it goes. So first, you want to go to your gallery app on your device, so you can select what you want to send. In this case, I want to send this photo, so I'm just going to hit share and give it a little second. Boom, and as you see, something different happened. Yeah, of course you can share it to people down here in your text messages, to Twitter, Bluetooth, or Instagram, but this popped up that says Kia's Tab S4, almost like AirDrop on an iPhone. So you want to select it, and then you want to come over to your device. Let me unlock it, and as you can see, before I get to unlock it, it says accept. So you want to accept it, and then slide your notification bar down, and if it's a picture, it's gonna download pretty fast. So boom, that picture was sent to my Tab S4. I will open it up and I will view it in my contacts. I'll view it in my gallery. So let's do something that's gonna be a little longer. So now I'm going to send over a video. Let me unlock my device. So now I want to do the same steps, but this time I want to send over a video. So I want to send this video to my Tab S4. So I would hit share, and boom, hit Kia's Tab S4. Let it do what it's going to do. So now it's loading, and as you can see, you hit accept. And this is going to take a while, so I'm going to go here, and boom, it is receiving the file just like that. As you can see, it is loading up the file for my Tab S4, and boom, just like that, it is done. We're going to open it up. Boom, and there is my file that I just sent. So that's just something that I just figured out how to do with Samsung devices. Like I said, you can do it between simultaneously. I'm sorry, I can't say that right, but you can send files smoothly between your Galaxy phone and your Galaxy Tab, or both of your Galaxy devices now. And that's something cool that Samsung has added to One UI 2.1 and above. So now I'm going to disable it. And then, like I said, you can just find it and disable it. So anytime you want to send files, that's all you have to do. Well, I'll send one more file real quick because I do need to send a photo over. So hold on, let me cut it back on, do it one more time. Boom, hit that. Make sure it's on here, which it is. So now I'm going to go to my gallery app on my Galaxy A51. Well, actually, it's in my text messaging app because I have not yet saved it. Let me save it real quick. I'm going to hit save. This is what I want to share, so I'm going to hit share. Let it pop up. Boom. It says it's connect. Kia's Tab S4 is connecting. It is hit accept. And just wait for it to fully send over to the Tab S4. Boom. Like I said, with the picture, it sends it over real fast. It takes a little longer time with the video, and that also depends on your Wi-Fi connection. So if you have a pretty slow Wi-Fi connection, it's going to take a while. But if you have okay speed or super fast speeds, then it's going to be over just like that. So just rate, comment, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll catch you in the next one. I'm out.